Recording the sewer line today here at 2029 East House Street. Date is October 6, 2020. Cleanouts, a couple of cleanouts were installed out here. There was a broken section of pipe I was unable to camera pass last time. Homeowner had insurance. They came out and repaired that section of broken pipe, put a cleanout in, and now I wanted to do a camera inspection post the cleanout install. We're going from 4-inch diameter concrete pipe right there to 4-inch diameter what looks like ABS black plastic pipe. So there's been a good section of pipe that's been replaced through here. All looks good through there. Then we get back into old concrete. What you see there, I mean, that could potentially be a tie-in for a small 2-inch line. I've seen that kind of a stub in the past, but it almost looks more like a broken section there. Hard to kind of tell, but I wanted to show this next section. The pipe's kind of falling apart. See, we got root busted through the side here, and offset and another tie-in right there, and having a tough time getting the camera around it. Anyway, I wanted to show that section. I'm going to locate it here on the property, but I'm going to end the video there.